We have started to use our mobiles and computers much often than not since the lockdown began. And while it's out of necessity that we use it, there is one very important thing that we should always keep in mind while using it, and that is computer security. Computer security or cyber security is the protection of digital information and IT assets from all kinds of malicious threats and attacks. There are many different kinds of cyber securities that are used to protect organization IT infrastructure such as application security, information security, network security, endpoint security, internet security, and so many more. These are just some of the main ones. But today, as a part of National Cyber Security Day, we, the second year students of PCA, are here to give you a small awareness of what computer viruses are in our own way.
What is computer virus? A computer virus is a software program with the ability to make copies of itself which attacks itself to other applications or files.
Next, how do computer viruses spread? Virus can be spread through emails, text messages attachments, internet file downloads, and social media scam links. And very important to know, never downloads text or email attachment that you are not expecting or file from websites you don't trust.
What are the signs of a computer viruses? So, what all the things we will notice when a virus gets inside a computer? Changes to your homepage, frequent pop up windows, mass emails being sent from your email account, frequent crashes, unknown programs that will start up when you turn your computer, usually slow computer performance.
Next, how to help protect against computer viruses. First one is use a trusted antivirus product such as Norton Antivirus Basic and keep updated with the latest virus definition. And avoid clicking on any pop advertisement and always scan your email attachment before opening them and always scan files that you downloaded using file sharing program.
Different types of computer viruses. Bootsetter virus, macrovirus, browser hijacker, polymorphic virus, and direct action virus. These are the types of computer viruses.
How to remove computer virus? Usually remove a computer virus by using an antivirus software program. For instance, Norton Antivirus Basic can remove many infections that are on your computer. And some of the examples are Avast, Sophos, Trend Micro, and Norton.
Now that we have seen what a computer virus is and its types, let's see some tips on how to protect our computers from them.
As part of Computer Security Day on November 30th, we are going to tell you as to how to secure a computer. So the first one is update computer software, have antivirus software installed, remove all unused programs.
Now, I'll show you a simple trick to block all the malwares attacking your computers. At first, go to the Start button and right click. Hit Run and then type in NETPLWIZ. Click OK. Now that you see the menu like this wherein your account is in administrator mode. But this is very dangerous because anything can attack your computer or PC at any time. So we have to change this from administrator mode to standard mode. For that, add another account. Sign in without a Microsoft account and then local account. Now type your username and then password. I recommend you to have a strong password. And then confirm your password. Now password hint. Now that you got another account, and then click finish. Now that you have two accounts, make your user account to administrative mode. For that, click properties and then group membership. Administrator, hit OK. Now we have got two administrators. So change this administrator group membership into standard user. And then hit OK. Now your PC or computer is ready to block all kinds of malwares. Hit OK. And then a pop-up message comes that you must sign out and sign back in. After you do that, your PC is perfect to attack malwares.
Make sure your home Wi-Fi network is secure. Backup your files regularly. Use caution while browsing internet. Always log off your computer when not in use.
This poster indicates that if you just click in unwanted links which you don't know, that may lead hack. These links are provided to know just your personal details, and it is easy to hack. Just click cancel ship.
Always use strong passwords. Never share or write down passwords. Require a password to access your computer. Never store passwords on web browsers.
Keep your inbox safe. Enable email scanning. Don't trust attachments. Disable automatic previewing. Never respond to email requests for personal or company account information. Activate the email scanning function in your antivirus software.
I hope you all were able to learn something new from this video today. Wishing you all a safer computer experience and a National Cybersecurity Day. This is 2nd BCA signing off.